Hi everybody, at this point we are showing you the transport of the DallaPieta from Porridge to our place. We rented a vehicle. As you see right now, we have a lift for it. Me and my dad were afraid that the boat could fall. It was a lot heavy in front. So this trailer can be extended from 1 to 2 meters, if I'm not mistaken. They had to extend it a little bit to fit this boat or yacht. Unfortunately, everything I could do is watch. I couldn't really help. So this process took around 2 hours to pack everything from the boat, to lift it up, to put it on a trailer, and the transport was 1 full day. You will see it later on. So that's how to extend the trailer. They take out the pins and then just pull them. I'm not sure if there are any hydraulics or not to do it, but they did it this way. They pulled the truck a few times to extend the trailer. So now finally it's loaded up and the way started. So now you see when it arrives it needs to be switched from the trailer to a truck, because the trailer is too long to go in a position, which you will see shortly. So the biggest issue here is that we lost our tent from the boat, or our bimini. This truck is also a little bit too long, and it will scrape. So you already see that it scrapes a little bit. Even though it is out of plywood, it is heavy. You see the tent is damaged. I mean, it was damaged before, but not this severe.
A? To ćeš kad se stavi brod vidi koji je live.
At this point, I assume that you already see the state of the boat. It needs plenty of work. Just take a look at this. Everything is wood, and everything is damaged.
Bien, ce mi sta scrivendo?
So that would be it. The boat is there. We moved everything which could be moved, we put it all in place.